Hello everyone, Sarisha Sinha with Sky Residentials. I'm excited to present this beautiful home right behind me on 5410 Buckner Terrace in Fremont, North Fremont, specifically Ardenwood. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, almost 1,500 square feet, and is really nicely remodeled. Now, I always talk about some of the features of the home that stand out. With this particular home, not only is it in great condition, bathrooms, kitchen, flooring, paint, everything's been done, but it's got an extra large lot, which is very uncommon for this area. So it's got a huge oversized lot, tons of privacy in the backyard. You don't have any homes looking into this home. Those are some of the things I love about this property. So guys, take a look around. High ceilings, recessed lights, newer dual pane windows, new paint, upgraded flooring, great features inside the home. Upgraded cabinetry. Look at the paneling and the design here. I love the details. Slab granite counters, stainless steel appliances, brand new range, and brand new dishwasher. About the huge oversized lot all the way back here and there as well, and these tall cypress trees that offer so much privacy. So 5410 Buckner, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, almost 1,500 square feet, is priced at $1.7 million. We're gonna go live tomorrow, and we'll be open both days this weekend, 1:30 to 4:30. Come on by and take a look.